What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be playing The Evil Within. It is currently... I am very tired, actually. It's really late, and I thought I'd be playing this for you guys. I've never been playing this game before, so I have no idea what is happening. For the weak and fearful. Did you guys just see that wheelchair move? For the weak and fearful, auto-aiming enabled by default, slightly more ammo than usual. Once the difficulty level has been selected, it cannot be raised during gameplay, but it can be lowered. Lowering the difficulty during gameplay will restart the chapter. The difficulty setting can be changed in-game via options menu. Interesting. We're just gonna go survival for now. I'll see how I like it. I don't know. I've seen other YouTubers play this game. It seems interesting. And this game is like really old, so I'm excited to play it.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know you just
Wow, this game looks really good for its time. Yeah, graphics and all that stuff, like the rain on the screen.
Calling out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides.
Windshield
Half a dozen
really
units already on scene.
improves a lot.
Maybe it's the ghost of that doctor
Games,
with schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's
Games
not
like
what
these,
happened.
they don't really make
Some
them
patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation?
Detective Castellanos.
184, be advised.
Sounds like a fun name to say.
Is there any...
Whoa, what's happening?
Jesus!
Uh-oh. Also, I'm surprised to see like there's like no people out on the streets or anything. You know, walking or anything like that.
Junior Detective Kidman.
Very
Any
interesting.
thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm sure we'll know everything once we get there.
Whoa, you can see like the rain on them. Wow, this game is really impressive. I know I already said that a lot, but oh man. Look, you can see it like running down their faces.
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have
Joseph
a look
Kidman,
around.
Right.
you're with me. He sounds like a... What's that one guy's name? I don't know. He sounds like a beaten down detective. Alright. So from what I understand, Chapter 1, an emergency call. From what I understand, this is like a an asylum or something like that. Mental hospital, mental institute. And we are here to see what's going on. As you're going to see, there's a bunch of police cars and all that stuff. Police do not cross. Don't worry, I'm with you guys, so I have nothing to be afraid about. You guys got my back.
Smells like blood.
All right, stay sharp.
Whoa. Oh, Jesus.
We're gonna check it out. Don't
Okay,
let
I guess
anyone
this
else
is
through
kind of
this
due
door.
for alarm
I
for
can
bringing
be an
out your
extra set of
gun.
eyes.
We don't know what's happening here. You're a backup.
Okay then. Oh man. Wow. There's like blood, patients everywhere. Oh my gosh. What was that?
Did you hear something?
Yeah, I did. Keep an eye out. What was this guy's name again? Joseph?
Someone alive in
It
here.
was Joseph, wasn't it? Yeah. Uh-oh. Who's alive in here?
Are you injured?
Doctor.
What happened here?
Can't be real. Impossible. Ruvik is...
What?
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
Or he's having a psychotic episode. It's one of the two. Ooh. Alright, let's check what's on here. What the hell? What are they shooting at? Get a good look at that, detective. Oh, Yo!
What the hell?
My thoughts exactly. Uh-oh. Oh, he's gone. Whoa. No! The boogeyman took us. Uh-oh. First person? Oh no. Guess what we have to... Well, there's a rat down there. Whoa. Oh my god. Are we hanging upside down? We are. Interesting. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh, I got scared. Sorry, guys. Let's rotate, move camera. There's a combat knife right there. Swing. What is he doing? Oh my god. This literally looks like a jigsaw trap. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, he's carrying someone's body. Press space repeatedly. Come on. Come on. 1, 2. Come on. Other. Okay. Just cut yourself down, detective. My back. My back. Okay, we have... Whoa. Okay, crouch by holding control. I'm playing this on PC, by the way. I got scared. Can we open this? No, we can't. Wait, hold on. How do we open this? How do we open gates? Oh my god. Sneaking. Control the sneak. The key's over there on the hook. Okay, we're gonna go get it once he goes. Alright, go. Come on, Detective Castellanos. Pick this up. Ordinary keys. A key ring found in the mental hospital basement. These were in use long before hospital's modern security system was put in. Interesting. Enter, okay. He's coming back. Castellanos, no! Oh, sucker. Don't even know that your keys are gone. Okay, we're just gonna use this. This game is really dark. Maybe I should have put up my difficulty. Maybe I should have put up my brightness. Because now I can't see anything. Checkpoint. Oh my god. This game is so scary. There's a tripwire here. How do we, Oh! Oh, no. Shit. Oh, yep. My thoughts exactly. Run. Oh my god. Oh. He's gonna slime us out. Wait, what? Oh, I thought our leg got cut off. Come on. Go down, go down, go down. Oh, blood. It's contaminated. Oh gosh, we got hepatitis A, B, C, and D. Oh no. Oh. Yuck. I would be vomiting, crying in it, and sitting and duking all at the same time. Oh my god, I don't think I'd ever be able to do what this detective could do. This detective's a unit. What a, what a freaking oh, we're limping. What a freaking soldier. Okay. From what I understand, we're still in the hospital. I think. We haven't been transported anywhere outside of the hospital grounds. Or, I don't know if this is a hospital or asylum. I didn't pay attention. Where are we? Oh, it's like a sewer area. We need that first aid. Get the green herbs. Shrimp. Oh, come up. Come on, you can do it, big boy. Attaboy. Alright. Ooh. Oh, also, I like his attire. It's very, very snazzy. Oh, can we go in here? Okay, we can go in if we press space. Interesting. Nothing in here. No! Fuck. Okay. Now, I know you guys may call me a pussy for this, but I'm not. I'm actually just, well, a big baby. I'm turning on my brightness. Alright, I can't see jack shite. How do I... Oh, I just did it with this. Okay. We'll do that. I'm sorry, you guys. I need this so I'm able to see. I have bad eyesight. Why is he looking behind me? Space pickup. Old note from sewer. Besides the lock gate at the far end of the sewer, there's a ladder which could take you to the old ward. If you could make it through there, you'd need to find an elevator leading outside. You would be the one who escaped. You might be the one who survived. R. Is that your name? I'm sorry. Okay, we can't go there. Dude, we need to find some, like, disinfectant wipes. I'd be so worried about my wound. Because, I mean, think about it. This man was, like, sliding in blood. And, like, oh, dirty poo water and all that stuff. Okay. This is gonna take forever. With you. No, I'm just kidding. I wanted you guys with that Metal Gear Solid. I was actually planning to play it, but I have no idea what I'm doing in that game. And I got to, or I played the second Metal Gear Solid. It was only once though. Pick this up. Boiler room note. 1300 STEM system operation test begins. 1315 success. Confirmation of brainware synchronization loses minimal continuing experience. Agent collects the data. 1330 anomaly occurs. Not with the subject. The stereographer claimed they weren't feeling well and then fell into a coma for reasons unknown. Doctor orders the STEM systems terminated. 1345 staff began complaining about nausea, falling unconscious, one after another. Those who can still move plan to escape from the hospital, but for unknown reasons and are unable to. Sorry, I can't read. Though the STEM system should have been deactivated, subjects maintain brainwave synchronization with the host. 1400. That man appeared. Interesting. Okay, so I'm assuming they're talking about that man named Ruvik, the thing that doctor was on about. Checkpoint. That means something is about to happen. Oh, dude, look at that nasty wound. Oh, man. This guy is an absolute... He's just out here limping, and he is so cool about it. He's just whatever. We'll get through this. W Detective Castellanos. What was that? Oh shit! Blocker, control. Oh no. Oh no. Jesus, stop! Oh my god. Leave me alone, you bum. Go somewhere else. I'm trying to film a video here. Wow, that is extremely loud. Whoa, what was that? Okay. I'm gonna exit. Okay. We have to crouch. Please don't come over here. Oh my god. Is he coming back? He's coming back. I'm scared, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna assume he's gone. Oh, he's checking. Idiot. Look at him, he's getting all mad. Wait, please don't come over here. I'm sorry, I was just kidding. Sucker. Oh, he is really mad. Okay, we're just gonna go. Oh my god. I hope he didn't see me. Alright. Hey, well, you know what? That wasn't so bad. What's this? Okay. Nothing we can use for that. Oh no. Go! Castellanos! Oh my god. Oh, shimmy over it. Come on. You can do it. Just limp your way through. Ah! Oh my. This gives me a very heavy Silent Hill vibes. Oh my god. That was scary. Just dealing with that chainsaw guy in general. This dude's tough. Well, I would. Ooh.
Darkness twisting me around. There is nothing I can do. And this world doesn't spin.
I can already tell this is gonna be a fire game. It's literally. The evil within. I want to play the second one. I've heard that the second one's really good, and that he, what is it? I won't spoil it for you guys, but you know. Oh, this is where the cops died. He took care of all of them. What was that? Oh my God. Oh wait, we can run? Come on. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Also, our wounds are not there anymore. Oh, what the heck? Yo! It's that cop! I forgot his name. Kidman or something? No, that was the lady. Joseph Kidman. Oh, Connolly, that was his name. Ruvik. You slimy bastard. Oh, she made it out. Okay, let's just say
Where's
that.
Joseph? Man, I'm sorry, but you never came out. I waited, but.
Oh, well, I was about to say, I was like, let's just say that Joseph died. What was its name? Leslie?
Shit! There's no going back.
Whoa, 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 whoa. This cop's drunk. This cop's skills are insane. They're like level 10 on GTA driving skills. I'm just gonna have to ram through it. Yo! This cop's like, or this pair, no, this is a cop. He's got like insane driving skills. You guys won't believe what I've been through. You guys won't get this, but dude tried to cut my leg off. Yo, 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 it's fire. Yo. Cop's him. This cop is him. Wow. Everything is in ruins. A little bit of a rendering problem there.
Everyone must be dead.
Everyone all right back there?
Just a few bumps. We're fine.
Fine.
We will be once we're far away.
Wait, isn't that the doctor that was like
We'll be fine.
talking about Ruvik? The doctor that was. Look, he's right there.
Fine.
Fall! Fall!
What? Uh-oh. What, are we pop a tire or something? Oh my god. What is happening to him? Oh shit! Yo. No, this game, I can tell that this game is already gonna be like absolute cinema. Absolute cinema already. Chapter 1 clear. Alright. We're gonna save your game. New slot. Okay. If you guys want to see me play more of this, be sure to, you know, leave a comment down below, and be sure to like my videos. Really helps out my channel. Be sure to subscribe, you know, turn on bell notifications, all that. I will be posting a lot more frequently now. Yeah, so until then, peace out, you guys. Love you, go.